Who?
Ojogu.
Ojolo.
Ojogu. Ojogu.
Ajiegu.
Ojogu.
Ochoku.
Yes.
Ochoku.
Yes.
Agaba.
Anthony Ochoku.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Ndi abakwa nwa afa na eme affect.
Fairness here.
The name is Anthony who?
That is the name Anthony.
What is the surname? Anthony who?
Anthony Ojogu.
Hey!
Anthony Ojogu.
Anthony Ochoku.
Yes, sir.
Anthony Ochoku
Yes,
is
sir.
your name.
Yes, sir.
They have given this boy a name where they react him. What is this? In our language, Ochoku means troublemaker. Hey! Okay, I'm coming. Are you a graduate?
No, but I'm done with my secondary school.
You're done with your secondary school?
Yes, sir.
Just ordinary secondary school.
Yes, sir.
And then you are graduated in smoking.
Give him money to write eat the money. The papa give him money to write the wayek. Eat the money.
He use the money of the wayek and smoke. What are you smoking and what are you smoking?
Loud.
Eh?
Loud.
Loud. Can you see the way you are routing all the whole compound? The smoke crowd. Who teach you the smoking of louder?
Nobody.
Where do you get it or see nobody? Where do you get the route?
At our place.
Eh?
At our place.
Who do you see that smoking route? Who give you the route first?
My classmates.
Your classmate.
Yes.
Which classmate? Primary school classmate?
Secondary school.
Secondary school.
Yes, sir.
In secondary school you went and you follow. Look at in secondary school. We look at our children. Even when they are cleaning everywhere. Delta government clean everywhere and remove all those native doctors.
Yes, sir.
Delta state. They are running to your place. So remove all those. Our youth, look at this one. How old are you?
20.
Eh? He said, how old are you?
I'm going 20.
You're about to be 20 years now.
Yes, sir.
If I give you one blow, look at a handsome boy like you. Look at the way you are useless in your life. Look at the way look at your life. A young boy like you, fine boy, you went and began to smoke him. If I use one blow now, give you that one blow, when you go back, people will see you, you will tell them you go to ODUMEYE. They say we know now the mark of ODUMEYE na bro. Look at a handsome guy like you. Look at me. Do you see me? Are you not liking the way you are hearing my name all over the world? Not by smoking. It is by the Holy Spirit. You change your life. Look at what you look at. And you went yesterday smoke again. Eh? You went yesterday smoke again. How many do you smoke yesterday?
Half.
Eh?
Half.
Immediately you smoke up, you start to act. Look at you. Oh, ya can didibia ya ba se cha se jucha is an etia balomon. Oku igbo eselese. Na kai kai angola ango na nke ndidibia ango cha isi feju. Ewe wepụtasị osisi eji egba afa sị gị Juese makonwia, juese makandia, akuogiri. Nkai ni na angwe when I see you no isifa. Look at your life. You fit for me to give you something like one blow. That is one heap, doom. So that when you go, when they ask you where do you go, you tell them I go to ODUMEYE. They say we know, we see the mark. Look at your life. Look at this young man, 20 years. If he lives 25 years, that is means you are wasted. What do you? It will get body before now. Smoke the dry people. What do you want from me? Are you ready to change?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
If you don't change, I will kill you spiritually. You will not live. You must change.
Yes, sir.
Mommy must bring in this boy to me. This boy is a destiny child and devil want to destroy it from you. That's why that one you hear, they brought him to me, I delivered him.
He go say he won't go.
He won't go.
The devil is a liar.
Okom uwaga anya here. Why do you say you won't go? Eh?
No, I didn't say I want to go. I said I'm not able to breathe well.
You don't, because the thing has already been hungry you. That is what you want to.
No.
Eh?
No, sir.
And they tell you are here, you say you want go. You want go where? Eh? Oh, you are here, you saw me. And you say you want go.
No.
Eh?
No.
How dare you say you want go?
No, I didn't say I want to go. I didn't say I want to go.
He said you want go. Is it not true, Mama? You are. Okay, you are lying. You lie. You are here lying before me.